Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download the Casting of Frank Stone game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam on your end browser, and the Steam website will show on the top, so you just need to open it. And guys, once it was open, click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and here you just need to log in with your account, and if you don't have an account then just create one. Guys, once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here you just need to install the Steam and just download it and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy, and then just open it and log in with your account. Then click on the search box you are seeing and just type here the game name, which is the Casting of Frank Stone, and this game will appear on the top. So you can also download a demo version, so you just click on the game, and here in this page just scroll down and you will see the download the Casting of Frank Stone demo version. Just click on the add to library if you want to download it. As you can see, the demo version was added to your library. If you want to buy it, click on the add to cart, click on the view my cart option, and here click on the continue to payment. And now here in this page just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Then go to the Steam library, and here on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Casting of Frank Stone. Just click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install the Casting of Frank Stone into your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.